Boom, how's it going, guys? Fernie J here. Easy, quick trade today, 3 minutes in the market, about 20 minutes of analysis. I already told myself what I was going to do. Boom, I did it. And this is a skill that you're going to have to develop if you want to be consistently profitable. It's saying, I'm going to do this if this happens, and then doing it, and then just sitting on your hands, right? So that's what I did, and we got off for a $1,200 profit today with about a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, more so, maybe a little less. But let me show you what I did, and let me show you why I took this trade. So as we know, Jerome Powell spoke on Friday and he basically created a new high, all-time highs in the indice market, right? Over the weekend, in the Asian and London session on Sunday, going into Monday, price broke lower, right? And then we had a big downtrend day yesterday, which I also profited on. Now, today, when we look at today's trading day, right? We see that Monday was a big downtrend day, right? And then we see during the Asia, so this is Monday. This is the Monday's trading session. Going all into Asia, which was this, with New York being this small section, which we just opened. We're still in the New York session, so trading to about 9 a.m. So as I'm seeing all this, right? Okay, downtrend, Asia session, creating level of demand, right? Multiple levels of demand here, right? I'm seeing many internal lows that can be targeted for a long position here, right? So when we see when we see that the market, right, has probably exhausted its move after Jerome Powell spoke, right? Why has it exhausted its move after Jerome Powell spoke? Is because this is an insane trading day. This is not normal. This is abnormal, right? Now, immediately we see a correction in price. This is Monday, and then price creates a new level here, right? I expect price to continue its downtrend. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but based on that assumption, right, after I had marked out all my key levels in today's trading day, today's morning, price was around this level here in today's trading session, right? And I said, okay, this is 929. This is the 1 minute chart. If price comes down, opens, taps this zone and rejects, I'm going to immediately get in for a long, which is what I told myself to do, for a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. About this, so that targeted like this high here, right? And I got out within 3 minutes of trading. I got in here, first minute, second minute, third minute, took me out, and then we profited. And could you say, well, Fernando, you could have hit a 1 to 3? Potentially, yes, right? But my trading system is very mechanical. Small wins, small losses, large win rate, build the edge up over time. My edge is in the patience and the consistency. So that's what happens. And as long as I manage those losing days, I will always be profitable. So let's get it. If you'd like to see my live trade recaps, make sure you check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Fernie J Trades. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, share with a friend. I do trade breakdowns Monday through Friday every single day. You can expect that from me. If you like this type of content, make sure you check me out on my TikTok because my live trades are shown on there. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.